Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, I'm Mikey B. I work with Tom's Tumbler, and today I'm going to show you how to use the moisture meter properly. Got your moisture meter, you got your bud. So the best way to do it is you want to get the bud on the two prongs, get it securely on there, and then it'll read what the moisture content is right there. You can see it's fluctuating a little bit. This is pretty dry, but that's all you do. You just put it on, get it on the prongs, and you're good to go. And then that's a great way to determine whether or not your flour is ready for the machine or not. I like to have it at about 8 to 10%. Usually between those ranges, it does the best job on the machine when you run your flour through it. And that's it. Have a great day.